Most organizations make critical decisions inside Microsoft Teams, but weeks or months later, those decisions are effectively lost. In this video, I'll show you how Microsoft Copilot AI Builder can transform private Teams conversations into a secure knowledge base. We'll move from scattered chats through semantic indexing to a custom Copilot that can recall decisions and rationale on demand. Here's the reality. Teams chats are unstructured, conversational, and ephemeral. They excel at real-time collaboration, but fail at long-term knowledge retention. Critical decisions are scattered across chats and channels. Copilot AI Builder changes this by treating your conversation history itself as a governed knowledge source. What you're seeing here is the core architecture. Teams conversations are ingested into AI Builder. They're automatically chunked, embedded, and semantically indexed for high-precision retrieval. When a user asks a question, Copilot retrieves only the most relevant fragments to deliver a grounded answer. Security trimming is applied at every step. Users see only what they already have permission to access. Let's look at the build process. In Copilot AI Builder, I start by creating a new custom Copilot. AI Builder automatically enables conversational boosting, allowing the Copilot to reason over connected knowledge sources. This is where the intelligence layer begins, turning raw data into a conversational interface. Here's the critical step. I add Microsoft Teams as a knowledge source, including chats and meeting transcripts. The Copilot does not get new permissions. It simply indexes content the user already has access to. Once indexing is complete, those conversations become part of its secure semantic memory. Now the real value appears. I can ask questions directly about past decisions. The Copilot delivers grounded answers with citations back to the original messages, along with clear rationale. It accurately recalls why we chose one option over another, providing a complete audit trail of the decision. This is conversational decision recall, effectively unlocking the brain of your organization. Enterprise teams are right to be concerned about governance. Copilot AI Builder respects permissions end-to-end. There is no data leakage. Content is stored securely in Dataverse, while retention and DLP policies remain in effect. Administrators control exactly who can create these knowledge sources and how Teams data is utilized. Knowledge becomes truly powerful when it drives action. This integration connects directly with Power Automate. Discovered decisions can automatically create tasks in Planner or post summaries back to Teams. This closes the loop from conversation to execution, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. The pattern scales further with multiple specialized agents working together. One agent focuses on discovery, another on compliance, and a third on execution and follow-up. They turn conversational data into sophisticated, multi-layered decision intelligence for the entire enterprise. Every organization has a massive knowledge base. It's just trapped inside Microsoft Teams conversations. Microsoft Copilot AI Builder unlocks that intelligence securely, compliantly, and at scale. If you found this useful, please subscribe and visit mwpro.co.uk for more resources. Thank you for watching.